All right, guys, we just rolled out to the bait rocks here. Look at this. Look at this markage. Unreal. Marking a lot of greenies. And it's me and John out here today. You know, standard deal. Just got back from the Bahamas yesterday. Filmed it, or I thought I was filming a pretty cool dolphin video. Ended up being no SD card on my camera, so you're not gonna get to see on that one. Sorry, but I'm gonna drop down for bait real quick. String of greenies though. What? I literally just lost like 10 baits right there. You too? Standard greenie fishing. 5 greenies, boys. We're gonna pick some sardines in a little bit too. And we blow off them so dang quick. So annoying. Look at them all. Chewing. You can see them all down there too. Nice greenies.
Greenies are low key.
When do they not? All greenies bite good. That's just law, John.
What up, man? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Kingfish, what you doing tonight?
Oh yeah. I'm going to that.
What?
I got him this morning.
Yeah, are you going tonight? Alright.
Petite pilchies. Alright boys, John's gonna show you how it's done, how to catch a couple baits here. John, pressure's on, buddy. The bait that bites every drop. Can you do it? I just don't know.
I don't know. I don't know how to catch bait.
I know, he doesn't. John's usually on a struggle bus here. I like to coach him though. I like to come over and rub his shoulder.
I've touched everything you know. Don't look at yourself.
It's true. It's true. John's taught me everything I know as a youngling. Oh, that was a good one for the YouTube land. We got like 200 baits right now. And then we're gonna run south and check for some deans, but I'm gonna put the camera away, see you guys in a little bit. All right, boys, just got done catching bait, and we are on a slow putts out to the Kingfish ground. Very slow. We're just getting stuff ready, rigging rods right now. Got about 200 greenies and sardines mixing here. Probably like 70 deans in that one. And I'm gonna rig this setup, so I'm gonna show you what we do. All it is a little uni to uni knot. Double uni. Go loop it 1, 2, 3. Wet it a little bit. You know me. Then same thing on the other one. 1, 2, 3. Maybe a fourth per. Wet the full thing. You pull it tight just like that. Cut my tag end. We pick all the line up off the boat at the end of the day. You know, just like that. Very petite double uni knot. And then for the hook, grab yourself 7.0 34.7 DT mustads. Put one hook through the eye of another hook. Find a little like opening like that. Bang it on there, just like that. Make a triple hook. Same thing on this one. Boom. And then I tie one uni knot on this one. Just like that. We're ready to roll, boys. I'll go over my setup in a little bit too. All right, boys and girls, we just got out here. We're on the edge, and we're not expecting much to happen too quick. It's like 5:40, 5:50. This fish usually start picking away at like 6:30, and we'll start catching them when the sun starts going down. It's the full moon right now. Just me and John out here, and We do have nice baits. So I'm gonna put the head mount on, we'll see. It's gonna be slow picking right away. Throw a hook, Greenie. Oh boy, John, that. This is Shimano Torium 30 HD. She's seen better days, but she's still butter smooth. And it's a Crowder 8-foot, 20 to 50 pound. This is the king rod I always fish, so see what happens. You know, my bait's not wanting to swim right now. Oh, and I also have 50-pound Andy on here, and then braid back in.
Get that one to the house. Shit.
Kingfish. Nice, no, little one.
I don't know, we're not gonna touch the bait.
Yeah, they're like all around us, low key. All right, boys, we just got into them here. John's tight. Got a couple fish on the deck. Put the head mount on. Let's steal them. Come on, Johnny. Make Papa Maloose proud.
Oh, big king.
Holy Christmas! I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a 40-pounder. Look at that fish. Ooh. Golly, that's a slob.
Big kings on the full moon, Minisk.
That will add up for weight. Don't do anything stupid.
Never.
Rodney the rod holder. I really do like the reel lay and Roddy, because you don't give him time to like choke it more, you know? Holy Christmas. Oh.
He took the longest run of mine.
That was crazy, Ron.
I literally thought it was a wahoo.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to say it, but here it comes. Just head low. No.
He wasn't having that. I thought I was gonna reach for you, but he's dead now.
No, it's not.
Yeah, he is.
Very much alive, as.
Ah. Good job. That's a giant.
That one didn't get sharked?
Because he's too big?
I guess so. This is a full man king.
Yeah. God. That's all of 40. Oh boy, here we go again. Nice, Bonita. Let's go. Get a bait. I literally got ate 3 times before that. Just 10 feet from the boat. Throw a couple baits. You threw a sardine?
No, I almost did. I was seconds away.
Where's the gaff? Oh, it's right here.
Okay. Oh, God.
Hurry, they're all around the boat. Give me bait, give me Dean.
2 Deans.
That one was on a green, dude. Before that, watch how instant this is.
Mine was like, hit the wire, ran a little bit. Oh no, don't go back to the house, please.
Oh my God! That's as instant as it feels like a Bonita though. Yeah. That's a Bonita or a tuna. Oy vey? What was that flip? Oh. No. Get a bait out, John. I literally, my bait was just swimming and I just stopped it because I was like, maybe they're chasing and they're lethargic and it got smoked.
down bad.
I'm down so bad. Thank you.
Look at that, hook's popped out.
No, holy Christmas. That's just a confused blackfin. Nice ass blackfin. No way. If it's a king, do I have to put a dead bait on? I have to gap this bonita, he's so big. Oh. What? Is it?
No, it's okay.
One more bait or go? Little petite king. Petite. Shoot him with a lot. John's got him on some dead bait right now. Are they just in a bag or like?
No, they're just sussing around. They'll have little like blades. The bigger ones will have little like pin marks on them.
He's in the boat, that's how you got him, baby.
Never gapped him in the throat. I got a nice one. Come get the gap on my
It's when I'm setting.
Very much to the pen. Oh, that's
The thing is, we can't get out of it.
no. Don't wait till it gets on. Wait till it gets on the light. Wait till he gets in the light. Wait till it's the easiest light of your existence.
Dude, talk about a nitpick. This is the weirdest bite ever, guys. It literally.
Alright, eat like a snapper eats it.
Here's a rig. Literally mono with a little lead wire and then a double hook. And then you double hook your sardine, you let it down super slow, jig jig, let it down, and it feels like a little lane or mangrove snapper, and they go tick tick, and you let them swim it off for a second, boom. That's what you do out here on the full moon. The full moon's not even up yet. When it comes up at 9:15, it's gonna be lights out bite. But we got a couple fish in the boat. We're making it happen, so let's get back to it.
Blackfin.
Oh,
I'll take
it
that.
came in the boat and I was like, what?
I'll take that.
Look at that. Little dead bait blackfin out here on the
the
ground.
fins look a little bit big for him.
I would, dude, it took so long for me and John to render that was a blackfin because we both looked at it and we're like, huh?
Nice blackfin.
That's a thing, but we'll take them.
The hairy bonita.
Imagine just a giant blackfin.
I was crying.
The head shakes are big, dude.
Very. Fine harder than my bonita did. Not as big as bonita as they come.
God.
They grow them big at night, man.
Bonita's a little size large. They got lit up the blackfin though. All blue and whatnot.
That's actually really pretty.
Yeah, look how sick. All right, so here's what I'm doing. I have my sardine. Hook one in the back there, and the other one right through the nose. Flush, just like that. Mark some kinks, so we're gonna drop down and see what happens. Need one?
Yeah.
Alright, you bring them. Actually,
25 pounder. Oh, look at that nice hook set though.
Wow,
Getting better, Jay. 55 as the fiddle stick.
Yes, I got whacked. That's a good one. This is so lights out.
On the cut bait-esque.
Dude, I had like nothing. Right here. Are you did that just happen?
Let's talk. These guys knew they probably got Bonita too.
That's it. That's a king.
We need one more. We're on another drift.
Dude, this Bonita is definitely the biggest so far. So what happens at night here is this full moon comes up. You can see it just came up, and these kingfish come out here on the edge. We're letting out dead bait slowly and just jigging them. They're super lethargic and slow kingfish. And we like nip the back of the knee, let them run off of it, set the hook on them. But it's tough because the bonitas showed up. We've been picking through a lot of bonitas for very few kings, but it's a grind, pretty much, boys. It's a grind.
I've got yours.
That's a king, right? Feels like a bit on the way in. On the way in. You know me.
Gotta get both these in.
I'm so on the way in, Ed.
This is 20.
Tell me I'm not.
20.
Wait, tell me I'm not so on the way in, Ed.
Very on the way in. Very, put the gap over here if we're going over that dark. Can't see.
Give me the cap. John, throw it at me. It's right here.
Those mine. Oh, here. Take it. Oh. Oscar, what was it nice?
Mine was way bigger. Mine was a 20 pounder.
Why didn't you try? Why didn't you say something?
I asked for the gap 3 times.
Yes, for it once. And I said, wait. No, it's a king. Get the gap.
Nice one?
Yeah. I guess we'll just continue on.
I guess we'll be out here one morning. I'm actually starting to bite. Wow, on the first try, I never thought I'd.
That's 20.
Mine, I swear to God, mine was a 20 pounder. So it's
That's the king. Where you at with that gap?
I don't know, but I'm in your line.
Yeah, I can see it.
So standard.
Oh, nice king. 20 pounder.
Really?
Wow, that one.
Oh, I hit the hooks, dude. I hit the hook so hard.
You definitely did not, because the hooks are so deep there and
Dude, I hit something.
hit my weight. It's a nicer one though.
Yeah, it is. I'm marking them good, dude. That was a quick bite. That's so what I'm doing is I'm letting my bait get to about 50, 60 feet down, and I'll jig it like this. Well, I'm about to get bait right here, watch this. Right there. On the jerkin, baby. That's very me, that's John. I'm very petite with that. Ugh. Smoking on the way in. Start us off, baby. That's how you do it right there. Got whacked like 3 times on that drift or that drop, and I was just jerking it the whole way, and I was reeling in smoke. This is the weirdest fishing I've ever done. Boys, we are grinding. It is 1:03 in the morning. We just caught 4 fish. The battery died. Oh, marked a couple nice fish here. Oh, quit talking. I suppose I'll just have to get back out here. But oh, it came back to the scraps right there. Oh no, it'll come back.
Pilcher chew. Oh God. Flip my life away. I literally didn't even gap. I literally just railed up. I didn't even notice he was closed. I had my eyes closed again. There he is.
Holy look.
Got it in that.
I think that's like 27, boys. We're gonna keep grinding it out.
No.
Dude.
You want me to go back or front?
I'm straight down the middle. I don't know.
I'm gonna go front, take him towards the back. Actually, this Kingfish has been very fun to the back.
This is just a shark right here, too.
Oh. You Dan, are you kidding me?
Alright, we just got back. I know we've been back in the inlet. We're almost back to the dock. We just took all the fish out. We ended up with 30 kingfish, a bunch of bonitas, some jacks, a nice tuna. And we just took everything out because I have to gut it. And then we're 5 minutes away from the house and we'll load it on the truck and ice them down. But they're rock solid iced. And we sell all these fish to the market. None of these fish go to waste. 3:20 a.m. I'm so tired. Let me show you how to... Hey guys, just got back to the house. It is the next night after kingfishing. I actually just filmed a completely different video and we crushed the kingfish again. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and do that right now if you're not already. Also, make sure you drop a like on this video. And also, I'm sorry I'm not wearing a shirt. Like I told you, I just got done fishing. I'm about to hop in the shower. That was a pretty epic nighttime full moon bite. We crushed them tonight too, so you guys are going to see that video coming next. If you're subscribed, it will send you a notification if you hit the notification bell as well on our channel. That is all I got for you. Also, one more thing, one more big announcement. We are doing a sale on our shirts. We have a couple of the Snook shirts left, white, black, and then we also got some Pompano ones. That's the Pompano. Such a sweet design. Same with the Snook. They're really cool shirts. You can save 10% off right now. It's just temporary, so go ahead and do it right now. Link down below. movinweightfishing.com. You can save 10% off using code MOVINWEIGHT10. Popping up right here. Link down below to my website. Go ahead and check it out. I would really appreciate it. Once we sell out of these, we got some really sweet performance shirts coming in. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, Moving Weights out.